I dare you to walk in the door with your piece of shit snap-on ratchet and put your head against these. What's up, guys? How you doing today? Welcome to another episode of JDTCo. Okay, like, comment, subscribe, and ring your bell for notifications because we're giving away a lot of tools these days. The first thing I want to talk about, and I've been talking about this a lot, is the most controversial tool in the world. Nick, you agree with that?
I mean, I don't think it's controversial.
Take your time getting it out, buddy.
It's just a tool.
It's very controversial. People are losing their minds over this tool. You love it, you hate it, or you despise it. So we're going to talk about it. I know you don't watch TikToks, but I did a TikTok with this, and it went absolutely what, Joe?
Bonkers viral.
Bonkers viral. I got 130,000 views overnight. That's a lot, but that's the kind of guy I am. So let's talk about the new Ratchet. Everybody likes a long reach Ratchet. Now I'll be the first to say that Milwaukee's first toe dipping in the water of the long reach Ratchet was a little less than lackluster. Had a big head and very slow, right?
We still sold a lot of them though.
We sold a lot of them, but at the end of the day, guys were not exactly thrilled with them because I think it's an omen. The sign fell. Okay, back to the Ratchets. It was a little slow and a little big. So Milwaukee, being the cutting edge company that they are, the world's best. Another thing fell. Joe, what's going on, Joe? One more time, ready? Milwaukee being the world's best power tool company. They've been doing it forever and a day. Fact check me. Hello, leave in the comments below when Milwaukee started in business. Okay? I bet you it wasn't in the 50s. So they came out with the new long high-speed ratchet, which, in my opinion, turned the industry on its head. These are great ratchets. Look how sleek and small the heads are. High speed, and when you're talking about the automotive industry, it's all about, what's the word, Nick? Do you know?
Accessibility.
Accessibility. You got to get in a tight spot. These tools will get there. So Milwaukee, being the cutting edge company that they are, again came out with the Insider. And this is the Insider right here. Now let me tell you what the Insider does. First of all, the kit is $3.99 or the bare tool is $2.99. When you buy a bare tool, you get the tool, no battery, and a full set of sockets. Okay, the set goes from 8 to 21. But wait, there's more. Okay, let me show you. Let me show you a little smoke. Say you're working on a battery cable or a ground cable, a stud off the front of an engine or something like that, and your old 13 millimeter. You throw it in there. You can see clear through there. You can see right through it. So it doesn't matter how long the stud is, it's going to work. I had a little demo block I was showing people the other day too, and this is a 10 millimeter. And like with the normal ratchet, you couldn't get on. You know what, Joe? Let me show him, Joe. Oh, hang on, threes. This demo I got at SEMA last year from a wrench manufacturer. So say you want to get on that stud, okay? You can't get to it. It just, you don't have the clearance. If you put a deep socket on there, you wouldn't be able to get in there. So at that point, you're using a wrench. Turn. You'll be there all day. Most of my techs they work on piecework, so they get paid, the faster they do the job. So with a wrench, you'll be there all day. Or you go grab your Milwaukee Insider. It's in your box. When you open the drawer, the angels are going to sing. A unicorn's going to fly across the shop, and you're going to have it in your hand. And you're going to go like this. Check it out. Right on there. Now, I dare you to come into my store with your piece of snap-on ratchet, I said it, and try that. It's not going to work, okay? But the Milwaukee Insider, look, one more time for my people playing at home. Let's get it on there. If this job comes in your shop, you're not going to be able to do it without your Milwaukee Insider ratchet. And
but important note.
They're
They're not all pass through.
Well, the bigger size aren't passenger because it wouldn't be feasible to anybody.
Well, just so these guys know, for those playing at home.
Well, it's passed her up to the
15, I think we said.
Yeah, 15, Kinsey. But wait, the best part of this sock is because a lot of guys are like, well, 1 in a million times I'm going to run into this. 1 in a million times, which equates to about 3 times a month. But what's nice about this ratchet is check it out. Leave it like this. Now it's a 3/8 ratchet its whole life. Okay? And what's nice about this is with this particular ratchet, it's high speed. And what, Nick?
More torque?
High torque. So it's the best of both worlds.
60 foot-pounds of torque.
That's a lot for a ratchet, guys. When you weren't looking, I quick switch. Now it's 1/4 inch. Because you get both adapters in there. 1/4 inch and 3/8. That's nice. But wait. Milwaukee is not done yet. Think about the uses for this. 1/4 inch hex bit. Okay?
1/4 inch or 7/16?
No, 1/4 inch.
What's the other? Is that
5/16?
5/16, sorry.
You're supposed to know that.
I forgot.
1/4 inch. I get mixed up too. 1/4 inch bit, any bit that you have in your toolbox, in your set, will be, you could put it in there and get into any tight spot you have. Milwaukee was way ahead of the curve. And I know, most of you guys will say it's a piece of junk, you don't need it, but that's just because Snap-on didn't come out with it first. Because if Snap-on put their name on it first, I can assure you, you'll be singing its praises like Jesus came down and made water into wine.
We had a customer that he's been wanting a ratchet, the extended ratchet, but he's like, I just want to hold out and get the insider one. It's just
yeah, they did a nice job.
You're getting more for.
And to be honest with
price.
you, Milwaukee does not have the patent on this. One of their employees has the patent on it, right, Joe?
Well, I think the team that worked on it has the patent.
Oh, the patent's in his name, Nick. He showed it to me.
There's 2 people. I remember there was a couple people that.
Hey, Joe, he showed you your patent, Joe?
He showed me the patent.
He walks around with it in his pocket. Listen, enough of the Milwaukee. It's a great tool. $2.99 beer, $3.99 full kit. Get what you want.
And also, if you're a purist and you don't want the insider, we do have a deal on the regular.
Guys, let me tell you something. We have a lot of good Milwaukee deals posted this week, and they're posted on where, Nick?
Our app and website.
And the new app, which is designed by Mr. Morabito, is a life-changing app, and it is a work of art. Okay, anyway, yeah, we have a lot of good deals. This quarter, Milwaukee came out swinging. There's a lot of good deals. The normal ratchet with the 2.5 battery, not that trashy 2.0, the 2.5, which is literally what, Nick? Indestructible.
Yes, sure.
Unless you buy one of those stupid things we've seen online yesterday. Nick sent me a video. This guy makes these magnetic boots for covers for the things, but you have to drill holes at the bottom of your batteries. You think that'll avoid the warranty, Nick?
Yeah, when we go to the tool show, I want to ask Milwaukee about that.
Oh my God, guys!
But yeah, $249 for the regular for the high-speed extended ratchet with the 2.5 battery.
That's a good deal.
So you're getting a free battery.
Free battery. How much is it again?
$249.
That's a good deal. How much this one? How much this one?
3/8 is $249.
Do the math. We have and we're going to be talking about more of our deals as the month goes along. We just ordered a bunch in. But while I got your attention, the stuff that keeps the lights on in the building is the JDTCo line of tools. And what we do here at JDTCo is we give you the D. And the D is always for discount. And this is a great set. This is a 53-piece tire repair kit. No plastic, metal. We're giving you, what I like about this, my kit is this thing can break at times. The insertion tool. So you know what I did? I gave you one for free. Okay? This cost me an extra $2, but I gave it to you. And I even gave you the Allen key to change it in case you're stuck on the side of the road. Genius, I know.
That's what the Allen key's for?
Yeah. And look, I also, while I was making the kit up, I gave you a razor blade in case you wanted to cut the little excess hanging off the tire instead of hearing thump, thump, thump for your first couple miles. Because I was thinking. And while I was designing the world's best tire plug kit, I gave you a rattler. And inside the rattler is Schrader valves, caps, and a tool to change them. These are all extras, guys. A lot of people don't bother giving you that. You buy the Astro kit, you buy the tires, the safety seal kit. What's another one? That Blackjack company.
Blackjack kit. Business?
Huh?
They're still in business?
I don't know. They didn't return my call, so I went and direct and bought them myself. Sorry, Blackjack. So yeah, this is all added stuff I threw in my kit. And while I gave you lube too, because nobody wants to put it in dry. Well, I'm not going to open it. It's in here, trust me. And this kit is how much?
$30.
Okay. How much is the Astro kit?
I think 40, 45.
That's a lot of money. That's a lot of money. $30 in stock. And let me tell you something. They've been selling fast.
Yeah.
Real fast. I was impressed. But finally back in stock. This is a great tool. This is designed by my good friend CP the Tool Addict. Love him or hate him, the man's got a lot of good ideas and a lot of connections. And if you use one of these, you can thank him because it was from his masterful mind. Do you know that?
Yeah.
Of course you do. This is nice. I wish I would have thought of this. Actually, on another note, we were thinking about doing it, but then they came out with it also. How much are these?
$12.
$12. And in my opinion, I think it's too cheap. This is a $20 bill.
Yeah.
You're leaving money on the table, Lisle. Okay? I was following Eddie Lisle on Facebook. He was at a Michigan, no, Iowa game. Big, his whole family there. Everybody's dressed, in the Iowa black and yellow. And I'm like, buddy, you'd have better seats. He actually had pretty good seats. You'd have better seats if you charge 20 instead of 12. I'll see you in SEMA. We'll talk about it. These honeys are back in stock too, right?
Yes, we have a lot.
These were definitely the hot tool of the last quarter. How's that? And the good news is I see a couple issues with these, but I have recently found them and come out my own, which I will be showing to you guys soon. It's going to be called the JDTCo. What, Nick? Clip Zip. That's a nice name, right?
Clip Zip.
Clip Zip. You like that, Joe? Clip Zip or Zip Clip? Zip Clip? Zip Clip. Clip Zip, Zip Clip. Leave in the comments below what I should put on my new pliers that are coming out. They're going to love that, right? I don't care, Nick. I don't care. I don't care. I do not care about corporate America on any level. They can all eat a nut. Okay? What? You were going to say something?
No.
But no corporate company I do love, Nick.
Who?
Vessel. They're one of the best companies we deal with. Yes or no?
Yeah, they're easy.
They're easy. There's no games. And it's a wacky story how we got in bed with Vessel, per se. But, they have been, one of the best companies to deal with. It's a Japanese company, and we sell tons of their products. Joe, give a little Vessel shot. Show them the smoke, Joe. That's that's the Vessel screwdriver section, and we sell tons of them. Nick, do we have a deal on this set?
Yeah, it's $66.
This is an 8-piece set of screwdrivers for $66. Don't be confused with the price being cheap. This is the best set of screwdrivers you will ever put in your hand. I promise you that. Dual material. Nick, and what are the tips? What are they?
Magnetic. Serrated.
JIS.
JIS.
JIS. I don't care about your Mako screwdriver set, your Snap-on screwdriver set, your Max screwdriver set, your cornhole screwdriver set with them stupid square handles. What are you thinking?
Square handles?
Just square handles. Square handles. They're trying to do something different. Sometimes the wheel needs to be round, not square. Joe's shaking his head. Joe, you don't want a square handle screwdriver, Joe?
That sounds really uncomfortable.
Because you know why? It is. Okay. Screwdrivers. JS, $66. Get them while we got them. It's a great deal. We've sold thousands of sets of the Armor Grip ones, but this is the top of the line version. The Armor Grips are $45. These are
66.
And normally, how much are they? Like 85,
75.
Right? 75. So you're saving a few bucks, guys, and that's what it's all about. Put the money in your pocket, not your crooked dealer. Talk about crooked dealers. I'm at one of my favorite customer shops in North yesterday. What's his name, Nick? He's the Portuguese version of me.
No, Lima.
Lima. And the Snap-on guy, he's like, Nick, are vices warranted for life? I said, well, yeah. He goes, the Snap-on guy won't warranty my vise. Mm-hmm. I go, well, it should be warranted. He said the jaws are warranted, but the vise itself isn't. And I said, no, I think he's the new guy. I said, I think he's got it backwards. I think he meant to say the jaws aren't warranted, that's consumable, but the vise is.
I can see that, yeah.
Yeah, makes sense. So with this right-handed guy, everything worked out perfectly. He pulls up with his Snap-on truck. He walks by my truck. So Lima's like, come in here. So the Snap-on guy walks in my truck, right? He's telling me the device is warranted. I go, well, dude, I said, I'm pretty sure the device is warranted. I think you have it backwards. He goes, no, it's not warranted. So I go, it's a Wilton vice. It's a Wilton vice. You think Snap-on's got a vice factory? No, it's a Wilton vice. So Nick, Wilton vices are warranted. We've had guys break them, they're warranted. Lifetime warranty on some of them.
I honestly don't know.
Okay. Maybe the cheaper line, but I think they are. So anyway, I go to the guy, he's like, well, I'm telling you, it's not warranted. I'll ask, I said to him, I'll ask my friend and I'll find out for you. I'll do your work for you, no problem, I said. I go, how much is that vice? 6-inch vice. It's a bullet vice.
The same one we have? Oh, no.
Yeah. How much do you think the vice is? It's from Snap-on.
$1,000.
$1,390. I go, holy. So Lima's like, bro. He goes, I don't care how old it is. That's a lot of money for a vice. I'm not paying it. And Lima's getting heated and yelling at the guy. And I'm like, listen. I said,
I gotta go.
I go, yeah, I gotta go. But at the end of the day, the Snap-on guy is a new guy, and he's not exactly the sharpest tool in the drawer yet because he's young. They threw him to the wolves in Newark. But it's the internal piece. The screw is broken. I said, I can order the piece for you. You know, at the end of the day, if he don't want a warranty, instead of spending $13 for a vice, I said, I'll order the kit for you, Lima.
Yeah, they make a bunch of rebuilds.
Of course they do.
It has to be really hard to break a vice.
Oh, it's not the screw. Either the screw or the internal nut are stripped. I don't know. But there I am doing his job for him. Insane, right? Speaking of tools, I don't know if you follow us on TikTok. If you don't, you should, because we're having a lot of fun there. But I got 6 pallets yesterday of AFF tools in. 6 pallets. All light stuff. Yeah, it was fun. Anyway, listen to me. Did I cover everything I needed to cover? I think I got it all.
I think you got it all.
I saved the world today.
Yeah, I think it's time.
I talked about the world's best ratchet, don't forget. I covered inferior Snap-on guys that are thrown into the route and don't know how. First of all, before you tell listen, Lima is one of the best customers in my tool route, right or wrong. He's
a good guy.
He's a solid guy. I mean, I've dealt with him for years, and I would literally give him the key to my tool truck and tell him to take it for the weekend. I trust that guy. And for you, if you're a new dealer starting a route and you see a person like Lima, who's a very good customer who you're going to need if you plan on staying in business for any length of time, if I were you, if you had to go in your basement and knit a vise, I'd start knitting. Because you don't take care of your customers early on, they ain't going to be for you. They ain't going to be there for you when you need them most. And I don't know if you watch the news or you see how business is going these days, but if I were you, I'd start taking care of your customers, right? And at the end of the day today, we have an airplane. What would you call them, guys? A bunch of airplane mechanics coming in for a pizza and beer party here at JDTCo. So we're going to be a destination like Disneyland. We're going to get a couple pictures and put them up. All right. Hey guys, like we always say, come for the price and stay for the shit show. Peace.